I initially expected a rather theoretical and boring class, but Mr. Ramesh took it one step further. With all his real-life examples, it was easy to relate, and I think he really brought us in with the activities to keep in touch with our inner self and to be able to understand more about ourselves and how we can react to other people, especially under stressful situations. So in this takeaway, I really learned how to react to others and what I can do so that I will be happier from each stressful situation, and how to move on and to forgive others.
Ramesh delivery has been great. He managed to engage the audience and he told very interesting stories to actually explain the points that we would like them to take back after the event.
They push everybody away, and then now they will sit down and blame everybody for not supporting me.
Through this training, I could know about myself very well. How do I react in different situations? That is the key to learning. And also, in real life, how do we face different situations? Like how do we manage anger? How do we manage joy? That is the key learning of this training.